Assalamualaikum and good morning to everyone. Today I will present about stray voltage electrical installation and its risk. My name Muhammad Lashafi. This is the table of contents. This is the example video about stray voltage. Introduction. Stray voltage is a voltage that can appear in electrical system due to the poor grounding or thin wiring or electrical leakage. It can be found on metal object, equipment or surface that should not carry electricity under normal condition. The risk of stray voltage include electric shock, which can be harmful or even deadly, especially when a person or animal come into contact with it. In particular, stray voltage can be dangerous to livestock in farm, causing discomfort and problem or even death. To prevent this risk, proper installation, regular maintenance, and ensuring proper grounding of electrical system and crucial. Next. This is table of stray voltage. First, voltage grounding system. Typically, stray voltage 1 to 10 volt, which level medium to high. If the electrical system ground connection is found or not working properly, stray voltage can leak out, causing short or potential equipment damage. This is a medium to high risk. This because it can affect multiple areas. Number 2, damage installation. Typical stray voltage 0.5 to 15 volt with level high. If the installation around electrical wire is damaged, stray voltage can escape, causing short or fire hazard. This is a high risk because the voltage can be quite high, making it dangerous to people and animals. Number 3, neutral to grounding voltage risk. Typically, stray voltage 0.1 to 5 volt. Risk level low, medium. When there is a difference in voltage between the neutral wire and ground, stray voltage can occur. This is a low to medium risk because the voltage is usually low, but it can still cause discomfort or minor shock. Number 4, inductive coupling. Typical stray voltage 0.01 to 1 volt. This level low. Stray voltage can occur when electrical current from heavy wire affect other wire without direct contact. The voltage is usually very low and thus pose much risk, making this a low risk. Number 5, shear neutral and multi-load. Typical stray voltage 0.5 to 10 volt, risk level medium. If multiple electrical circuits share a common neutral wire, stray voltage can occur if the system is unbalanced. This causes minor shock or damage, leading to a medium risk. Contents. Contents 2.1, the advantage. Advantage of stray voltage in electrical installation. Number 1, indicator of grounding issue. Stray voltage can act as a warning signal that there a problem with the electrical grounding or wiring system. It can help technician identify fault grounding early on. Number 2, diagnostic tool. It can help in diagnosing electrical system issue, especially in agricultural setting, where stray voltage can reveal improper grounding or potential problem with the system. Risk of the stray voltage electrical installation. Number 1, electric short. People or animal can get shot if they come into contact with a surface or equipment carrying stray voltage. Number 2, injury or death. High level of stray voltage can cause serious injury or even fracture to women or animals, especially if the exposure is prolonged. Number 3, harm to animal. Stray voltage can stress or injure animal from leading to discomfort, head issue, or even death. Number 4 is human damage. Stray voltage can cause damage to electrical equipment, leading to cost repair or system fail. Number 5, interference with system. It can cause disruption in other electrical systems, affecting their performance or reliability. 2.2, the disadvantage of electric cars. Disadvantage of stray voltage in electrical installation. Number 1, electric shock. Stray voltage can cause electric shock to people or animal who come into contact with it even if the voltage is low. Number 2, health risk. Prolonged exposure to stray voltage can lead to health problems, including burn, muscle contraction, and extreme case fatalities. Number 3, harm to animals. Livestock and other animals can suffer from scratch, injury, or even death if they come into contact with stray voltage on equipment or metal surface. Number 4, equipment damage. Stray voltage can damage electrical equipment by causing malfunction, breakdown, or reducing the lifespan of machinery. 2.3, the effect. Number 1, electric shock. Stray voltage can cause electric shock to people and animals if they come into contact with it. You expose the metal surface, pipe, or equipment. Number 2, rate of death. High level of stray voltage can lead to serious injury of even if fracture, especially if there is prolonged exposure or contact with high voltage. Number 3, harm to animals. Stray voltage can cause an issue for livestock such as stress, discomfort, or even death. It can affect animals from if they come into contact with electrified surface like water, truck, or fence. Number 4, human malfunction. Stray voltage can lead to damage or malfunction in electrical equipment, reducing it ineffective or causing system breakdown. In short, stray voltage can cause significant risk like electrical shock, injury onto animal, and human damage. Making proper grounding and regular maintenance essential. Significant risk like electrical shock, injury, harm to animal, and human damage. Making proper grounding and regular maintenance essential. Solution. 3.1, the problem. Problem of stray voltage electrical installation and increase. Problem. Stray voltage occur when a voltage electrical current lead into place where it should be, usually due to fault grounding or damage wiring. This can happen in metal surface, water pipe, equipment, or cell. Risk: electrical shock. People, animal can get shock if they touch circuit bearings, stray voltage. Number 2, injury of death. High stray voltage may cause serious injury or even death, especially if someone is exposed for a long time. Number 3, harm to animal. Livestock can suffer heart problems, stress, or even death from stray voltage, particularly in farm. Number 4, human damage. Stray voltage can cause damage or malfunction in the electrical system, leading to costly repair or system fail. Operational disruption. It can be caused interfere with machinery or equipment, affecting their normal operation. Okay, stray voltage is a serious problem that can cause short, injury, damage, and disruption in electrical system. So proper grounding and maintenance are important to prevent the risk. Solution to stray voltage in electrical institution and its risk. Number 1. Proper grounding. Ensure all electrical systems are properly grounded. This is helps safely direct electrical current to the earth and prevents stray voltage from leaking into an intended area. Number 2. Regular inspection. Conduct routine check and maintenance of wiring, electrical panel and grounding system to identify any fault or where that could lead to stray voltage. Number 3. Install residual current device (RCD). Use RCD of grounding fault circuit interrupter (GFC) to detect leakage current and shut down the electrical system if stray voltage is detected, reducing the risk of the electric shocks. Number 4. Use proper wiring and installation. Ensure all wiring is proper insulated and in good condition to prevent leakage of current, replace damage or all wiring to avoid potential stray voltage. Number 5. Training and awareness. Educate people from owners about the risk of stray voltage and how to handle electrical system safely. Conclusion. By implementing proper grounding, regular inspection, and safety device like RCD, stray voltage risk can be minimized. This safe electrical system for both people and equipment. This is different. Next. Do you have any question?
I have a question. What is stray voltage?
Stray voltage is wiring or grounding problem. Next.
Can stray voltage hurt people?
Yes, it can be dangerous to people. Next.
How do we stop stray voltage?
Make sure all electrical compartment are grounding properly. Thank you.